Watching this overnight high, see if they actually get over this and start building a node here, or are they just going to flush this where they, you know, basically bust through it and then it falls back into it. So I'm watching for those two scenarios. I would imagine they're this close, they're going to want to hit this. Just need to watch and see what kind of action you get at this level. Then I'd be shooting for the POC, if not the volume area low down here. If you like these trades, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos on how I trade market profile and volume profile. If you do have any other questions, just leave them in the comments below. So this is that 500 level too. It looks like they're going to try and break it. There, they're through it. Now I'm watching to see if we fall back into this or if we get some strength above it and start building a node. We can get back up in here. Looks to me like they're just going to sweep this overnight. We'll take one there. Now we're looking for this to basically give up and make its way back down here and then make its way into this range. Maybe shooting for this POC and possibly this volume area low. So your POC is at right here by the halfback, but it's at, let's go 86. Here, put it at 86.25. Now, if this is going to give up, it should start to accelerate to the downside. $9.75. I think pretty much anything over this high, so 502, you'd want to be out of this. If it doesn't look good, I can get out before that. Usually those are my, emergency stops. If the computer shuts down or sometimes I get popped for that whole thing if it just doesn't show me what it's doing. But if I see it turn around, like if it bounces down here or if it bounces out this volume area low with any strength, or if we just get back to our entry area and it just doesn't look right, I'll try to get out. You don't have to wait for that stop to pop. Like here, if we can't make it into this next node down here, that's a good sign that it's not going to work out. We have 1.5 minutes till D period opens. We definitely don't want to see D period go over C. I don't even really want to see it up in this area anymore. You can see this node right here. So, you wouldn't want to, we're at 2. So that's fine right where it's at. Want to see it break into this node here. But D, you might get a little bit of a bounce here somewhere in this area. It's kind of expected. You have some pretty good buying right here on this delta chart, but was that, uh, just trying to get to this overnight high, or are they really trying to go higher with this? What you're trying to figure out. If some buying here. I think by the time we got down to here, we'd be on our way to our target. This is a real area you got to watch. Now you have this D period open. See how it bounced up a little bit. We still haven't made it into this node. We need to break into here. You can see how it's bouncing off this area right here. Think you can come down. Definitely 98.75. It's going to bounce off this area. I don't want to be in this trade. I can close it manually. You can see we're not making it into that node like I wanted. And you're watching to see if we do break into this node, does it get acceptance or does it come down here and bounce right back into this node? And try one more time. There we got into that node just a little bit. Now let's see, is it going to bounce out of here or is it going to continue? I can move this down. I don't want to be in a rotation. Give it just a little room. Our target's all the way down here at 96.25. Be 54 ticks. We got a long ways to go. We need to get past this high from Friday. We got to get back under that. I'm just not giving it very much room because you can see how much it's bouncing out of this. There's a node right here. You can see how much it keeps bouncing back out of that. I want to see some more extension down into here. There's a little more. We want to just see this keep deteriorating all the way down. And depending on how it acts down here, we could be looking for this volume area low. There we're to the high from Friday. We're up here with our stop right now. You can see how this volume starts to fade off. We're kind of in this node. Then we're trying to get into that range from Friday again. I want this to break soon. Otherwise, I can just close this trade here. If you like these trades, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos on how I trade market profile and volume profile. If you do have any other questions, just leave them in the comments below. If we get down into this area, I'll secure this 27 ticks. This would be a push down here. '27 is at the 93. So we'll take it right there. Good trade.